Welcome to Rumblescope, where nature's fury meets human curiosity.
Erin is a bad girl. Let's see why. Overnight, Hurricane Erin exploded into a Category 5 monster, with winds topping 160 miles per hour and gusts reaching 190 miles per hour, with a central pressure of 915 millibars. This storm has already made history and it's not done yet. In less than 24 hours, Erin went from 75 to 160 miles per hour, a staggering 85 mile per hour jump. To put that into perspective, weather experts meteorologists define rapid intensification as just a 35 miles per hour increase in a day. Erin more than doubled that threshold, putting it in a rare company with storms like Wilma, Gilbert, and Dorian. Forecasters expect it to get even stronger in the next 12 hours, possibly reaching 165 miles per hour. After that, Erin may start the weekend as it encounters stronger wind shear and goes into an eye wall replacement cycle. Its 915 millibar pressure is the second lowest ever recorded for this date in August, while its winds are the fifth strongest for this early season. This explosive intensity, a reminder of just how powerful Atlantic storms can get. In Puerto Rico, the forecast hasn't changed. Most regions can expect 2 to 4 inches of rain, with some areas up to 6 inches. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning through Monday, highlighting the risk of landslides, swollen rivers, and dangerous roads. Erin is threading the needle between the eastern coast of the United States, the Bahamas, and Bermuda. According to Mr. Justice, chief meteorologist at WIFF, all projected paths place the storm east of the United States and Bahamas and west of Bermuda, with a margin of error of under 100 miles. If the storm wobbles just slightly, these areas could experience stronger impacts. Currently, hurricane-force winds extend 30 miles from the eye, and tropical storm-force winds reach 140 miles. But as it moves north, experts expect the storm to double its diameter, expanding its reach, raising wave heights, and spreading impacts far beyond its center. And the critical hidden danger, rip currents. Even if Erin stays offshore, powerful rip currents and massive surf will threaten swimmers and beachgoers along the East Coast. Historically, rip currents are the #1 cause of hurricane-related deaths in the water, not related to the winds themselves. Hurricane Erin is already historic, with explosive intensification, near-record pressures, and winds among the strongest ever this early in the season. The questions are now, how close will it get to its peak, and how far will its growing power reach? Stay alert, follow local guidance, and stay tuned, because Erin's history is still unfolding. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye. See you later.
Thanks for watching Rumblescope. Subscribe and hit the bell to stay in the know.